to the gorgeous Natasha.
And the mind-blowingly funny Manik Jaspal.
Thank you, Babita. Thank you, Subodh. And we are back. Are we enjoying? Are we having fun?
यार क्या कर रहे हो? Sorry.
Are we enjoying? Are we having fun? What
Please,
about
a little
right
more
there? I can't hear
lively.
anyone there.
Thank you, Lucky
Thank you, Lucky
Uncle.
Uncle.
We love you too. We love you, Lucky Uncle.
Thank you, Fernanda. Okay, that was an awesome performance by Osmita. Thank you, Osmita, wherever you are right now backstage. And
this is my
Manik?
favorite. This is my favorite part of the show now, where we get to thank our sponsors. We have a set of total 10 sponsors here, of which we are dividing the gratefulness in two groups. The first one, we are thanking the first 4 set of sponsors. They're in random number. We love your money equally. We're not discriminating. Please,
Yes.
please bear that in mind.
Please.
And yes,
So we have Ola first. We have the clipping as well. And Manik.
our first thank you note goes to Olam.
Yes.
A few words about Olam. Olam is happy to be associated in the Silver Jubilee celebration of the Indian Association of Sao Paulo for Diwali night. Olam has been associated with this event for the past 6 years, and this year makes it even more special. Olam also celebrates its 25th year, wherein it has been able to create value for all its stakeholders in 65 countries, and it operates and over 13,800 customers it caters to worldwide. Olam's team of 23,000 employees has enabled to build a leadership position in many businesses including cocoa, coffee, cashew, rice, and cotton. Now for our second sponsor.
Our next sponsor tonight is Pharma Vision. Pharma Vision is a fast-growing pharmaceutical company in the business of importation and distribution of high-value injectables and biotechnology products with focus on treatment for critical illnesses and diseases. Created in 2007, today Pharma Vision in just 7 years has a great success story, driven by young and dynamic first-generation entrepreneur and pharmaceutical experts. Pharma Vision is empowered by a combination of vision, pharmaceutical professionals, state-of-art distribution channel, and marketing expertise. Pharma Vision's range of products and delivery systems extends across oncological products, internal and parenteral nutrition, blood additives, anti-infective, infusion therapy, and medical disposables. The company has diverse customer profile, including important international partnerships, covering over 1,800 private and public institutions across Brazil. In 2009, the company acquired a compounding center formula medicinal in the heart of Sao Paulo to customize oncological and nutritional therapy products for the critically ill patients. In last few years, compounding center has grown many folds and contributes to 20% compounding business of oncology in Sao Paulo. Pharma Vision stands committed to create a healthy life and business. And for the next sponsor tonight.
Thank you. Well, since we are doing this and the sponsor is not coming here, I can please request Shresh Bhatia to stand up wherever he is and show his face. There you are. Make a round of applause, please. And for the Olam team also, if you have the Olam team, big round of applause for sponsors. Our next sponsors are Palak Fashion. Palak Fashion, founded in 2001 by first generation entrepreneurial family Manu and Monica Gambhir, has grown many folds since its existence. Today, Palak Fashion dominates business in Brazil, furnishing high-end garments to top retail Brazilian outlets. Palak Fashion has established its credibility and brand across the beautiful beaches of good-looking females of Brazil. Something you should be proud of, Manu Bhaiya. It's proud to share since at least one product of Palak surely had its presence on the Brazilian beaches. To meet the growing market demand, Palak Fashion has extended its arms by establishing training offices in China and the US. They are committed to growth and have indulged themselves in new avenues of existing businesses and diversification. A big hand of applause, please. Can I please request Manu Bhaiya and Manu Bhaiya? Thank you.
Our last sponsor section are Lifestyle Representação, Dynasty Utilidades and Om Utilidades. Can we have Ashok, Bharat, Vijay, Advani and Rajesh? Please stand up.
Very good, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for all our sponsors. Thank you everyone.
And without their support, today's show would not have been possible. Once again, a big round of applause, please.
For our
This is-
sponsors.
For our sponsors, this is just the first section. We will be getting to the next sponsors in the second round after the raffles.
Yes. This year,